sir, and all my dear teachers. We are from class 6B section.
There is test coming up in 1 week and the students are discussing about their studies.
Hey Abhishek, have you completed your maths portion? Not yet. I have completed my science and English portion, but mathematics is so confusing for me. What about you? Maths is easy to me, but I cannot remember the dates and events in history.
Exactly. I don't understand why we to study all these subjects.
The teacher is listening to their conversation.
Hey kiddos, what's going on?
We were just discussing about why we have to study so much.
Excuse me, ma'am. We handle only one subject. Why do we study all these subjects? A subject is not just syllabus, children. You have to know the basics of all the subject to know the beauty that lies inside it.
But ma'am, I want to become a scientist. Why should I study social?
Subject and found out that I'm passionate about maths. Hence, I become maths teacher. So you have to understand and analyze all the subject to follow your passion. Being master in your favorite subject can give various career opportunities.
Wow, should we go to all teachers and ask them about the importance of these subjects?
Yes, that's a very good idea. Kids, all the best. Excuse me, ma'am. Please tell the importance of science.
Yes, why not? Science helps you understand the wonders of world. Understanding science allows you to appreciate the magic of around you and deeper. It encourages diversity and promotes accessibility. Additionally, scientific literacy is essential for making informed decisions in everyday life, addressing global challenges and contribution to innovation and progress.
Sir, can you tell about specialty of mathematics?
Yes, children, mathematics is one of the major subjects. It is about numbers, shapes, data, measurement, and also logic activities. It encourages critical thinking, problem solving skills, and logic reasoning. Along with that, master mathematics encourage a disciplined and organized mindset.
Yes, children, why not? No need to afraid of mathematics or anything. Mathematics is easy. You can enjoy the mathematics as much as you enjoy your favorite game.
Excuse me, ma'am. How is social important for us?
Yes, children, social science is important for us. Studying social science provides a comprehensive understanding to human society, behavior, and relationship. You gain insight into the cultural diversity, historical context, and the factors of influencing social structure. And learning about the past help us to make better decisions for the future. This knowledge is valuable for broader perspective on global issues, active civic and participation, and contribute to the society.
Excuse me, ma'am. Core subject providing information about facts. How does language help us?
Yes, children, not only core subject are important for us. Languages foster effective communication, enhance cognitive abilities, and provide a gateway to the diverse cultures. Proficiency in multiple languages broadens academic and career opportunities. Languages are essential for effective communication, for fostering social instructions, conveying ideas, and preserving cultural heritage, and play a crucial role in personal and professional development. Additionally, languages are essential to economic growth as they facilitate trade and collaboration in the globalized world.
Ma'am, what's in your hand?
It is a autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam. Children, do you know the difference between biography and autobiography?
No, ma'am.
A biography is a life history of an individual written by someone else. An autobiography is a story of person life written by that person.
Hey children, pay your attention here. Do you read stories?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me the difference between fictional and non-fictional books.
Don't know, ma'am.
Fictional books tells us stories created by the author's imagination, like Harry Potter, Games of Thrones, etc. Fictional explores imaginary worlds, characters, and events. Non-fictional books present factual information about real people and concepts, aims to convey accurate and truthful knowledge. Whether fictional or non-fictional books can be a source of entertainment. Reading self-help or motivational books can contribute to personal growth and providing insights and various aspects of life.
Reading book allow to us gain knowledge on a wide range of topics. Regular reading exposes to us diverse vocabulary, languages, skills, and improving our communication abilities and our concentration.
We got it, ma'am. We promise you from today onwards we will be very dedicated to our studies. Thank you for guiding us.
It's our duty. All the best, children, for your bright future.